The ground-out prosthesis prepared by the technician is filled with a permanently soft silicone material, for example, secure soft reliner, and an impression is taken. The imprints of the ball attachments can now be seen clearly. The imprints of the ball attachments are now transferred to the prosthetic resin using a burr. Following transfer of the positions, the silicone is removed again. The recesses are extended amply as per the marked positions, in order to ensure contact-free seating of the metal housings in the prosthesis. Once a tension-free fit has been achieved for the entire prosthesis, it must then be ensured that no prosthetic resin is able to flow under the metal housings during polymerization. So-called blockout shims made of silicone are cut to obtain small rings. Their height should be no greater than the distance between the gingiva and the metal housing. Now the silicone ring and the metal housing are fitted. If correctly seated, it should be possible to rotate them easily. Polymerization is prepared in the next step. The recesses of the prosthetic resin are coated with an adhesive. Dry for 30 seconds before filling with cold-curing resin. Secure Hard Pickup is an acrylic-based self-curing tissue-colored resin. Its viscous consistency makes it easy to apply. The recesses in the prosthesis should be filled to about 2/3 with the acrylate. The patient is requested to bite moderately for 6 to 8 minutes. Correct occlusion is checked again. After removal of the prosthesis, the metal housings are secured in the desired position. Excess resin is removed and the prosthesis is polished. The edges of the housings and the O-rings should be visible. The finished prosthesis can now be fitted. Support and occlusion are checked again. The patient has been provided with an aesthetic and highly functional restoration with minimal surgery and comparatively simple prosthetic measures. Since immediate loading is possible, the patient benefits from an immediate improvement in his quality of life.